How do I short a stock on Webull? The short selling tips are very special tips you must always bear in mind and do not forget. They're important and effective benchmark for us to stay the course and headed in exact direction. If you set your objectives, begin searching for the essential tips which link with it. Draw your root of those features of the investment and let it direct you towards achievement and triumph. The reason for its tried and tested implementation of this sort is that the momentum can rule the day for many months or maybe years. Particularly in a risky market, the assessment may be disregarded for long periods of time. Remember, the stock market might continue irrational more time, but you can remain solvent. It is good to handle this carefully, as stocks can be suspended in absence of the terrible information. Be sure to be aware of that. You must have the catalytic role and context of your thesis short. Are there scams to be revealed? Does the company is expected to lose income projections or earnings over the next quarter? You need some piece of bad information that can drive the stock downward, much likely. You will find explanations why you should accomplish that carefully. It's significant because the short may create extremely painful squeeze. For instance, even some of most winning managers of the hedge funds such as Steve Cohen and David Einhorn missed significant cash when the stock Porsche exploded within a few days. If you want, you may get this done by looking at investor emotional to decision put ratio, or simply by observing if the mainstream media is unanimously optimistic concerning a stock. Still, you should bear in mind that you need much fundamental analysis to be a short triumph. You also have to predict when the upward might need to commence to worry from their positions and hurry to quits. Ways to accomplish this step contain the use of put options besides outright shorting. Shorting stocks involves the potential for unlimited fails, and gurus must engage in the shorting. You will need to do that gently. It's a fully different ability set to be able to analyze the cost of put options. Have faith and think in these tips to the stock selling. They've been time tested and also have verified to be absolutely true. Follow them gently, and then your ultimate triumph might probably be assured, as well as your achievement.